I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a user manual. First, clearly define your target audience and their specific needs. Next, outline the manual's overall scope, identifying all key topics to cover. Finally, select the most appropriate format and structure, considering whether it's a quick start guide or a comprehensive reference. This foundational planning ensures your manual is effective and user-friendly from the start. Once your plan is solid, focus on creating clear and concise content. Write using simple, direct language that avoids jargon, making it easy for anyone to understand. Break down complex tasks into easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. Incorporate helpful visuals, such as screenshots or diagrams, to illustrate points and enhance comprehension. Aim for clarity and practical guidance in every section. Effective design is crucial for readability. Employ consistent formatting and styles throughout your manual to create a professional and cohesive look. Utilize headings, bulleted lists, and bold text to break up information and highlight key points. Ensure the manual is easy to navigate, perhaps by including a clear table of contents and an index. A well-designed manual significantly improves the user experience. Before publishing, thoroughly review your user manual. Proofread carefully for any grammatical errors, typos, or unclear phrasing. Crucially, test all instructions to ensure they are accurate and lead to the expected outcomes. Finally, choose the most appropriate distribution methods, whether it's a digital PDF, an online knowledge base, or a printed booklet. A polished manual reflects positively on your product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.